Updating your payout destination on Venmo is a straightforward process that ensures you receive your funds in the right account. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture in the top corner. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to payment methods. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Edit your payout destination. Find the payout destination you wish to update. Tap on it and you will see options to edit or remove the existing account. Make the necessary changes or add a new account. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout destination, ensure you save the changes. Look for a save button or confirmation prompt to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your payout destination will be updated successfully. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Venmo's help section for further assistance.